Oh look, it's Red Santa Claus.
Yeah, ho ho ho.
HoonTV!
Today I'm here with Mark at 8 PM. You would have seen him in the HoonTV videos doing the radiator and stuff like that in Frank the Tank. I've been sent this, which is a Speedsocket. It's actually a box, it's got a Speedsocket in it. And it's a locally made product here in Adelaide. The guy's been around motorsport for years, so it is probably stemmed from motorsport background, but it's quite a clever thing. But I haven't used it yet, and Mark's only just seen it, so this is a first-hand look at how it works and what it does. So I'm going to start off by taking the original wheel nuts off this 80 series here, and we're going to put the specific Speedsocket wheel nuts on, which are these ones here, and we'll show you how it works. So get them off. Well, that's definitely not a Speedsocket.
No. Hope we're not in a rush.
It's a perfect example of a non-speed. Alright, I'm going to get these out here. So here you go, this is the BRE wheel nut. It has like a little flat section on the end specifically to suit the socket. So let's get these on and see what happens. I don't know if we need to load the socket, but let's unpack it and have a look. So you want to
Get the
take off your gloves, Michael Jackson, and
no moonwalking here.
okay. So here it is. That's the Speedsocket. Now it is a proper heat treated, made in Australia. It's made here in Adelaide. I've actually been to where they're made, which is really cool. It looks very much just like a normal impact socket, but it's what's inside it that matters. So we're going to load it up with wheel nuts, like a gun cartridge kind of thing, and show you how it works. So over to you. Now I don't think you specifically need to do it this way, but it's kind of fun this way, you know.
Put them in the right way.
Yeah. I mean, you could probably just throw them on like a normal wheel nut, but let's try it out.
Actually almost like self-centralizers, hey?
And that's I think that's the whole principle of it too. It's designed so that you can't cross-thread them. So they're all on there now. So well, before you tighten them up, I'm gonna have a crack at it. So here, you hold that.
I'll let you.
This is a nice rattle gun. It's like not like a normal one where you've like got a handful of wheel nuts or you're trying to put them somewhere. That's cool. Look. I'm impressed. So I reckon the best part about that is the fact that, say if, you do more forward driving than I do, but if you're in the middle of nowhere, the ground's covered in shrubs and crap like that, and changing a tyre, then you're not putting wheel nuts on the ground, accidentally kicking them on the car and losing them and stuff like that, but yeah, they're all contained in the socket. Yeah, if you don't already have a cordless rattle gun, then there's a perfect excuse to go and buy one, because everyone needs one, and more toys is more fun. So if you want to check them out, go have a look at Speedsocket. They got a really good Instagram account, Facebook, all that sort of stuff. But hit them up, tell them HoonTV sent you, and final thoughts?
I like it.
I like it. I was skeptical, but now I like it. I'm gonna get a set, for sure.
Cool.